Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In C programming tutorial, in this session, we are going to discuss about variables in C part 2. So in this video, we are going to focus on the scope and life of a variable. I am Kranti, lecturer in computer science. Let's start the topic now. Scope and life of a variable. First we will see what is a scope here. In any programming language, scope is a region of the program in which the variable can be accessed. In every programming language, scope is the region of a program in which variable can be accessed. Here region means the place in which we can access our variable. That place, that region is called as a scope of a variable here. Also, a scope is the area where a variable is defined and can have its existence. So here, scope is the area in which a variable is defined, in which a variable is declared, and in which the variable is existed. Scope defines the life of a variable for a particular region in a program. So scope is nothing but the life of a variable, from which region and up to which region, from which place up to which place the variable is available. The variable is available is called as a life of a variable here. There are two places where variables can be declared in C programming language. Let's see what are the two places are there. One is inside a function or inside a block, which is called local variables. Second one is outside of all functions, which is called global variables. So let's see these two variables in detail. Global variables. Global variables are defined outside of all functions, usually on the top of the program in the global declaration section. See here, the variables which are declared in global declaration section are called as global variables. So these global variables will be defined outside of all functions, means outside of main function also. Before the main function, in the structure of C program, global declaration section is there. In global declaration section, we can declare all the global variables for our program. Global variables hold their values throughout the lifetime of your program, and they can be accessed inside any of the functions in the program. So once if you create a global variable, their value, the global variable's value will be available. That variable's lifetime is entire your program. So in the program, in any function, inside of any function, we can access the global variable. That means this statement is, a global variable can be accessed by any function in the program. That is, once a global variable is declared, it is available for use throughout the program or entire the program. So global variables lifetime is entire the program or throughout the program. So this is about global variables. Next, we will see local variables. What are the local variables? The variables that are declared inside a function or inside a block are called local variables. So local variables can be declared inside a function or inside a block. Local variables can be used only inside that function or inside that block in which they are declared. So in which block a variable is declared, in that block only, in which function a variable is declared, in that function only the local variable can be available. Local variables are not accessible by the functions outside of their own function. So in which function the local variable is declared, outside of that function the local variable is not available and that is not accessible. Local variable lifetime is limited to a function or block itself. So local variable lifetime is completely limited to its function, to its block. Here is a note, this is a programming tip. global variable and local variable can have same name in a program, but the local variable has higher priority in its block. See, in a program, if you create global variable and local variable with the same name, then if you want to execute the local variable, if you want to execute the variable's value inside the function, the local variable's value is only displayed because the local variable has a higher priority than global variable. This is a programming tip. Next, we will see a C program. Now, we are going to write a C program to demonstrate on a global and local variable. Let's see the program now. This is the program which I wrote to demo on global variable and local variable. In this program, I just created one global variable, one local variable, and I am trying to display. Okay, let's see now. Let's see the program now. Once observe this. Hash include stdio.h int a equals to 10. See here int a equals to 10 is declared before the main functions, out of the main function, right? So this a equals to 10 is called as a global variable here. And I am starting the main function. This is block representing single symbol, opening brace. Inside the main function, I just created int a equals to 20. So inside main function, I created this variable. That's why this variable is called as a local variable. Once observe this, here global variable is a, local variable is a. I just created with the same name, I just created global variable and local variable with the same name. The variable name is a here. Global variable is having the value 10, local variable is having the value 20. Next, I am printing the value of a. Printf, the value of a is %d, comma a. Here I am going to print the value of a. So this is the program. Next, we will see when we run this program, what is the output for this program. Let's see the output of this program. This is the output for this program. See here, once observe here the value of a is 20. Once observe here, global variable is having 10, local variable is having 20 here in this program. Global variable a is having 10, local variable a is having 20. Here in the output, we get the value is 20. That means what? Local variable has the higher priority than global variable. So this is the demo program on global variable and local variable. I hope you understand about global variable and local variables, scope and life of a variable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more computer science subject related videos. I am providing the links of another C language topics in this video description. If you want to watch another C language topics, then you can watch by using those links. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, watch, like, share. Thank you.